Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Sofi credit card, a Sofi credit card. And when it comes down to this credit card, you guys will get 2% unlimited cash back. And when I say 2% unlimited cash back, I was talking to you guys about other credit cards recently where you could apply for the credit cards. And I know for sure we was talking about the city cash back credit card. That one we was able to get, I believe, like up to 2% cash back. And then we was also talking about the 5% cash back with Discover. But I was telling you guys, it's best if you were to put all of your, say if you were to buy like something from the store, if you was to pay certain bills like your energy bill, your phone bill, it's best to purchase those different things or pay those bills with your credit card so that you can get that cash back, so you can start earning rewards and start earning money. So this is another credit card I want to talk to you guys about. And when it comes out to this credit card, all you have to do is click right here where it says apply now. And then two, you can redeem your points in crypto. So for those people that want to get into cryptocurrency, or you're already into cryptocurrency, you can redeem your points in cryptocurrency. But you go ahead and put your first and last name in, your state, your email address, and then put your password in. And then you're going to finish on with the process for this application. Now, the thing is, when you apply for this credit card, they're going to look at your FICO 8, your Experian FICO 8. So make sure you guys already have that Experian app. You should be able to see your FICO 8 credit score. And then I always tell people for this credit card, try to have over a 700 credit score if you want to get approved for this credit card. And your interest rate for this credit card can be from 12.99% to 24.99%. And this credit card, I wouldn't suggest doing like a balance transfer on this credit card, because if you guys were to do a balance transfer, they're going to charge you whichever is greater, $10 or 5% of each balance transfer. If you guys want to do a balance transfer on a credit card, I believe I suggest that you guys do a balance transfer with the Citi Cashback credit card. And I just did a video on that, so definitely check that out if you want to do a balance transfer. Because you guys will have 0% interest for 18 months compared to paying 5% with them. Now, they do have a $39 late fee. Return payment fee is up to $39 too. But you guys should be having that going on. Just make sure you pay all of your bills on time, so you shouldn't get those charges. Now, don't forget your interest rate will be variable, so you don't really know what your interest rate will be until you get approved. I see a lot of people getting approved like $8,000, $10,000. So I want you guys to just go ahead, go to their website, apply for this credit card. If you need another credit card, that will give you cash back. And don't forget, this is not the credit card if you guys want to do like a balance transfer. And they also have different type of accounts on here too. Depending on what you want to do, you can have regular accounts with them. You don't have to just get a credit card. So definitely go to their website. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. I just want to tell you guys about this quick credit card. Thank you.
There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.